Okay, we've got a lot to talk about in this update, much of it about heavy rainfall, and in some spots over 2 inches of rain already. Northern half of Marion County under a flash flood warning. See those flashes? This is looking north with our Weather Now camera. Lots of lightning, torrential rainfall. The bright streak you see there is Meridian Street running straight north out of downtown. Take a look at the west view from our Chase camera, and you can see city lights. The torrential rainfall there is just to the north of that area. Carmel, certainly heavy rainfall as well. You can see looking at the Carmel City Center, kind of a blurry view, and one more view downtown Indianapolis. Right here, just north of Monument Circle, we've had a fraction of the rain that you've had in the northern portion of Marion County. The tornado watch is being trimmed back from Terre Haute to just northwest of Indy to northwest of Anderson. You've been cleared. The cold front's going through, the severe weather threat ending, but from Terre Haute to Indy, Muncie, southeast, lingers a little bit longer for an isolated tornado threat and damaging wind. There's your flash flood warning, in effect including Speedway, Lawrence, on up to Fishers, Castleton, just around 465 in Meridian. You'll find some street flooding in those areas. 10 p.m., thunderstorm shifting a little to the south and east. Bloomington to southeast side of Indy, up to Anderson and Muncie, sliding southeast between 11 and midnight, and then to the Ohio River by the time we get to 1 o'clock in the morning. Rainfall potential could be excessive. Some spots will see close to 2 inches of rain. Further updates through the evening.